Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedge Lee with an update for Bitcoin. I wanted to release a public video, especially given overnight downdraft, a sharp sell-off that seems to be freaking out a lot of people, shaking a lot of people out of the Bitcoin holding market. And I'm not surprised. It's always those who have that sell and then ask questions later who seem to have the ability to do the exact wrong thing at the right time. And I think whenever knee-jerk reactions seem so tempting, first of all, you should have been selling as if this was going up. That is what I had been recommending to the hedging.com memberships. Second of all, in this decline, given that in a short-term perspective, it looks very sharp, very hurtful, fearful, I think what's more important is to take a broader perspective, a longer-term, wider scoped view. And I had already shown in another video the investor class buy signal. And all of these are daily updated in greater detail for the hedging.com members. But we have a buy signal, an investor class buy signal, where price decisively crossed the 50-day moving average. So let's look at what happened in the past. We had a buy signal here. Price remained above the 50-week moving average. As long as it remains above the 50-week moving average, what do you do in these scary-looking corrections? You buy the dips. You buy those dips. Here was a 30, 40, 60% correction. You buy that dip. Because as long as we are above the 50-week moving average, the trend is up. And you do not try to fight that trend. You don't get spooked by corrections within an uptrend. You buy those corrections. Same thing here. We got a major buy, investor class buy signal, and every dip you should have bought, until you get that sell signal where and when price crosses to the downside. Well, we just had a cross to the upside. Of course, after 5 waves, what happens? In Elliott waves, you get a requisite correction to the downside. You buy that correction. It may revert to the 50-week moving average, but it is very bullish. We have a right translated cycle. What does that mean? The trend is up. There has been a trend change. As long as it remains above the 50-week moving average, you buy those dips without fear, but with confidence. I would recommend you to check out hedging.com public blogs as well. For a limited time, we are running a promotion where gold memberships will get a lifetime locked-in price. Gold members will also not only get access to cryptos and stock daily analysis, but also full access to the Profit Trade Alert service, which will soon go as a standalone service. And once the promotion ends, lifetime price locks will no longer be available, and access to Profit Trade Alerts will be at $199 in addition to the annual memberships. So while this promotion lasts, please do give a look at hedging.com. We correctly maneuvered this up, and now we're going to get ready to buy the dips. So join us to learn, share, and profit.